Hi, my name is Andy Lee, and I would love to tell you why you should consider being a member and an LA for Baylor Laparoscopy. So, as a member of this class, I got to meet Dr. Harville, and he introduced me to my first research experience. This has since transitioned into the bench research that I do today for Simmons Lab. And as an LA for this class, I've been able to expose other students to the research opportunities that we have on campus, and do for them what Dr. Harville did for me. Paying it forward is one of the most gratifying parts of being in LA. And if you don't feel prepared to be in LA, we have this Bio 3110 course, a biopedagogy class that teaches you all the ins and outs of being in LA and really prepares you to do this job well. So I would highly recommend being a member and an LA of Baylor Laparoscopy.
My name is Wimberly, and I'm also part of the LA program here at Baylor as an LA for the Laparoscopy Lab with Dr. Harville. Another essential part of the LA program is a necessity for LAs to communicate and build a professional relationship with the professor that they're working with. Working with Dr. Harville is a responsibility of ours for sure, but it also has allowed us to get to know one of the best professors at Baylor. Having been his student since freshman year biology has really allowed me to see just how much he cares about his students. He always feels comfortable letting us LAs make decisions regarding how to run the class and lets us change things about the course that we feel necessary. Having that mutual respect and trust between professor and LA really allows for a successful course. That is why communicating and building a relationship with the professor that you're working with is an essential part of the LA program.
Hi, my name is Meghan Hudson, and I've had the opportunity to serve as a research mentor in the laparoscopy lab this past academic year. As a research mentor, you have the opportunity to work with undergraduate students and assist them in their academic pursuits. In the fall semester, you facilitate discussion by helping the students work through a differential diagnosis and ask them the tough questions when presented with an ethical dilemma, helping them apply what they're learning to real-world problems in laparoscopic surgery. In the spring semester, each research mentor is assigned 4 to 5 students, and you help them create, conduct, and analyze a research project surrounding the problems faced in surgery. Through this opportunity, you meet with the students weekly, and you're able to really serve as a mentor for them.
Hi, I'm Garrett Croley, and one of my favorite parts of being a research mentor for the Baylor Laparoscopy Lab is the actual mentorship aspect of the program. Each research mentor is assigned to a small group of 3 or 4 students for their major research project due at the end of the year. Whenever I took the plunge into this position, I never imagined that I would one day consider these students my close friends. During our weekly meetings, not only can I lay the groundwork for their future in research, but we've developed a great sense of camaraderie so that it doesn't really feel like we're doing homework. I feel like part of my job is creating this balance of work and fun that my students can carry on through the rest of their rigorous pre-medical education. As the end of the year rolls around, I am so proud of the work that my students have produced and of the people that I've watched them become. Freshman year is such a key period of growth, and it's really rewarding to be able to guide students through this. There is little more enriching than mentoring a group of students through a project, through college, and through a little bit of life as you pass on advice given to you by your own mentors. And it's one of the many reasons that I am so thankful to be a part of this program.
Hey everyone, my name is Meredith Ehlmann, and I'm here to tell y'all what being a research mentor is all about. So the role of research mentor is unique to the laparoscopy course. Your principal responsibilities will be to help guide a small group of students in the laparoscopy class through the research process. You'll help them create an experiment idea, plan for it, collect data, and create a paper and poster that we will present at the end of the semester. However, more importantly, you will act as a mentor to these freshmen and help guide them through their first year at Baylor. I know, reflecting on my time as a freshman, I really appreciated having my research mentor to help guide me for which professors to take, to which extracurriculars I should pursue, as well as to help connect me with any passions that I had. And so I just think it's a great experience for everyone involved because research mentors can help pass down the wisdom of like, oh, I wish I would have done it this way, and now you can kind of give that to a new student. And then the students can help benefit from your past experiences. And that's all I got for you guys.
My name is Gabriel Andino, and I just wanted to share with you my favorite part about being in LA for the laparoscopic surgery class here at Baylor. And that would definitely just have to be the opportunity that you have as an LA to build relationships with everyone involved in the program. As an LA, I work very closely under Dr. Harville, who has been an incredible mentor and just a great person to reach out to for advice on how to navigate college, you know. In addition to that, the peers that I work with, my fellow LAs, have become some of my closest friends through the fact that we work so closely together, and being able to grow alongside of them has just been a great opportunity facilitated by being in LA for Lapro. And to top it all off, you get to meet incredible students. The students that we have in the laparoscopy course are some of the best people that I've ever interacted with, and just being able to hear their stories and impart some of my knowledge onto them has been one of the most gratifying things and arguably the best part about being in LA for the laparoscopic surgery class.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and I'm one of the learning assistants for the laparoscopy course. And today I'm going to be talking about the different ways that we as learning assistants are working behind the scenes in order to make the course even possible. And so before the course even starts, we are working together to build the boxes that we give each of our students. These boxes are surgical simulators that contain actual surgical Marilyns and surgical trocars. These boxes are given to the students, and throughout the semester we are able to assign different surgical techniques and teach them to the students, and they are able to practice them on their own in their dorms with their own box. Another way that we as learning assistants are working behind the scenes for the betterment of the course is by creating the lectures that we give throughout the course. And so we meet before the semester begins, and we are developing and creating lectures, talking about what worked last semester, what worked, what didn't work, and ultimately making the lectures the best that they can be. And so you should definitely apply to be in LA because it is a great experience. You get to do a lot of behind the scenes work, and people definitely appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Annie Arvidson, and I'm also in LA for Dr. Harville's laparoscopy course. In this class, students are given the opportunity to learn a little bit about the medical field and also about some surgical techniques. From learning about EKGs to tying sutures laparoscopically, this course relies on its learning assistants. The first semester of this class, LAs facilitate discussions and foster a positive learning environment for freshmen taking the class. After a traditional semester of lectures, we get a second semester of full research projects. Beginning to end, LAs guide these research projects from picking a topic to grading their presentations. This class would not work without LA leadership. As only an undergraduate, you help teach a course, and it's also a course only found at Baylor, which is pretty awesome. LAs are there every step of the way, teaching others, but also improving their leadership skills, communication, and research techniques. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you consider becoming an LA for Dr. Harville's research course.